We can't allow you to sit like this.
When you're Papa, ma'am. You're Papa.
Illegal connection. The people who stay here, they don't pay for electricity.
Anything that sounds illegal, you must just take.
Rounds, 38 special, 9mm.
You see this building here, just across. This building also.
Yeah.
This building across here.
Yeah.
When you're Papa, ma'am. You're Papa.
Hey, aziyabuya la. Ntshontsho nogesi la kunzima la mkhonto. Ya abantu base-energy bathi basi-check-ele la ukuthi edrobheni la idolobha laseJimmiston abantu bathatha ama-shakes bawafaka phakathi edrobheni. Uyabona ukuthi lebo kuyindlu yomuntu. They've then hijacked it and bayi-convector.
Mami, atumela.
Hey, Dumelang.
Hey, Lingai.
Hey, waluka man. Oh, lina le wabuha kae. Oh, lizwa kae. Oh, le rendile mo. Oh, le renda ntlo e kaofela.
Na rendile.
Khona yi kamo room.
Some bed.
Oh,
Ke kae yone mo. Omona patela 1.4.
1.4. Ro reka kae mtlakase.
Mutagasi ke lokile ja una ra ile.
O re patela 1.4 fela.
Na ndo patela
And then mtlakase hayi.
Ke na etsa ndilo ka mo.
Okay, you just use nje.
1.4.
Akumnandi musla. Akuna nemitha ni connectile zakhala. What's about caretaker? And then what's happening in the site? Oh, lichekile. Okay. Because that's not choice. We can't allow you to sit like this. So many people, there's no proper connection. If anything can happen, we'll take responsibility. Government you can't create a hostel. Change the indlu, nienzi hostel. So that's one thing. So let's send notice. And this notice. Right? As no choice because unless in here and ngihlale so yabonakala notela la two plate le
Sopheka go.
nazi into zokupheka la uyothela uhlala la uyothela ne sometimes uyiyeke lento ivutha the whole night and then bangabamba something kasha la then there's a problem. Yabona mama
Umhleni umlungu wethu uzabu Mandela uza kakhulu za Mandela.
Mazokoleka.
Kwa Albert.
Wala England, sorry.
Ja, gevoel.
Oh, okay.
Ukula. Mohammed. Una simfanele sizathatha umama lo ekhetheka uzosikhombisa uMamed uthi uhlala ku. Yabo? Okay. Yeah. Okay, awusikhulume na Mohammed ithi number yakhe simfanele nathi.
I don't have a direct number ya Mohammed, but lady baba bereka ngofisa.
So mawufuna uMamed ufuna through someone else. Okay, mela simthola uMamed because uyamosha.
Yeah.
Yabo? Okay. What are we doing?
Caretaker.
Okay, take it. Kashil. Oh, we'll collect the rent. Yeah? Okay, besen check ile onke ama room. Cela niba-check nje. Even la bakhona bekho.
Unogogo lapho ngaphezulu.
Oh, ni passport.
Usebenzisa transport, passport. ID book. Awunayo?
Ukubhekayo.
Oh. Yabona ke kuzomela bakuprocess ngoba nina nine 3 months ne? Nenza 3 months manje ungana passport uyenza kanjani?
Manjani?
Angithi nikwi what do you call? Ukuphi migration? Akuna migration la? For my first
ZEP.
Huh? Ikhona uma first sicela ukuthi kuzoyiwana so process la mama. Yeah. Angeke yazi angithi abavoti bantshontsha ugesi bantshontsha amanzi ababhadali nerent uyabona
Une-ZEP yangithi. Yebo. Oh. Lena iSouth Africa nayo kodwa ukuthi nayifunda.
Huh?
Lena iSouth Africa ukuthi
Yeah, le yakho mos right le yakho. Yamembele ngiyibona. Hlala kuphi wena?
La.
Uqashile.
Qashile.
Badala malini?
1.750.
1.750. La edrobheni nje abantu bavele bathathe yonke idlala. Bathatha idlala bashaya ama-backroom. Ayikhona.
Phakathi Mohammed yafuneka nala indlu yakhe.
Nalo Mohammed lana.
Uthi lo mama sister lo uyabhadala 2.8.
Yeah, please with someone.
And where's the passport? Pretoria.
Oh, it's good enough. Ababhadali. Yeah?
Mathumela kuqala before we disconnect because we were safe.
Yeah. Okay.
Khona ubuya ngaphandle la amaphepha wekho manje khona umntwana.
Yeah. Sabona. Kaphile. So sinenkinga yabona ukuthi we need more home affairs people.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Nimcheckile lo mama. Ngikhulumisile. Lo mama wana uphumile. Oh, okay. Manje senzani ngapha khona unomntana la.
Amanzi nawo ongazilika connection amanzi.
Maningi lama room le. Kunjani futhi?
Siyaphila.
Kaphela. Awuso yakuphi le
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Okay, so iZimbabwe ihamba kanjani?
There is this ZEP is a exemption.
Yeah.
So if it's like this,
Oh, you're exempted. For how long?
Remember they took us for court.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the matter is still in court.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they are exempted.
Yeah. Okay, so wenzani la ekhaya? Uyasebenza? Usebenza kuphi? Airport. Aba amaphepha omsebenzi. Oh, okay. Ngiyabona uma uveza le ZDP yakho, no, I'm exempt. Even as emsebenzini. Usebenza yona? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, order kuphi? Amabhek. Yeah. Impahla yonke lokho. So wena uya-organizer ufake evenini. Yeah. Bese uyabisa ekhaya.
Manje wayebuyisikhiyela.
Angisikhela bekudala befika lapha.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Nibaningi mos. Nonke niyatrader wena uyatrader msebenza.
Wayebuyisikhiyela. Wayebuyisikhiyela.
Ubani igama lakho? Ubani igama lakho?
I want the owner. My name is MMC Jim Stado, Councillor Jim Stado. I'm of the executive mayor of City Building, Dr. Tagas. We just want to find out how many people are staying here, and just bring the plans of this area. If these structures are legal, number one. Number two, to make sure that they don't Tagas. Number three, all those three things, if they are in order, release but if they are in order, we're going to take the electricity away from yourself and the water today. And in fact, we will be charging you for the entire time. Afternoon, Batali. We're in Jamestown Court Hotel, President Street. The building is hijacked. People have taken it over. We have switched off the electricity, we have switched off the water. We are warning everyone who is taking our buildings and making them their own houses and renting them out. We are coming for you. You must stop it because you are committing a serious crime. We are going to demolish this building. Thank you very much. I'm with MMC Nomados in Kosi.
We're here to do our operations and we're warning each and everyone, whether you are a South African, whether you are from where. One thing that we won't agree upon is for people to hijack our buildings.
We're going to make a new plan. And Mama, why you tell me Bakai want to come and keep up and do Bakai?
Who will pay?
The owner of this house.
Yeah, who's he?
Yeah. The owner of the house actually say,
They don't come here. They don't come.
If it's Mohammed, is he local?
No, they're in Alberton. They're
Not local and he's own.
Alberton.
His rent is moved of the house.
Mohammed is owning this place, but he doesn't stay in the country.
He never come here.
But our rent is too high.
Lento yenzile la ayivumelakanga. Number one, ama-officials government mabafika la wathreatenisa nokuthi uzowabulala. Today wena mele mawuchase uzilethe police station. Yazi into esifuna yini? Asihlonipheni umthetho. So mawubuya wena zilethe. President Street, no trouble inside Jeff. people have taken over. We have switched off the electricity, we have switched off the water. We are warning everyone who is taking our buildings and making them their own houses and renting them out. We are coming for you. You must stop it.
According with the operation was speaking just in those streets. As you can say, this is one of the illegal hijacked buildings. Our land invasion guys, our EMPD, SAPS is here. We are now forced to actually demolish. And actually see all the illegal connections here. Illegal wiring, partition, yeah. Just imagine if one of the households there they catch fire. It means this entire area will burn. Look at the mama now. Now mama began this is one of the things that we can't allow. We must act against. Yes, without have to understand. We must enforce bylaws. This is a war that we're going to win.
Vula.
Makamisa, hold the white.
I don't want to speak about it. Don't pay to the talk. Vula. It's taking too long. We're wasting our time. Yeah. Let's go. Let it go. How many times? 10 times. Come on. Where's home?
Sorry. Imla. Oh,
where's home? Where are you from? Okay, I want banana. Poisa. Tatalo.
They've subdivided this space, but just check. I mean, there's a few stories going up. I think about 7 stories. It's subdivided. Someone is collecting the rent, money, and they are consuming electricity, they are consuming water, but they are not paying anything to the city. It's not safe to stay in this building.